Is this the dirtiest BMW M3 ever? The customer lives in the country and has to drive on dirt roads. My job is to turn the car back into a new one. To get the M3 clean, I will use a lot of foam and clean all the details with a brush. Then I will polish the scratched paint. Let's see how many scratches can be corrected. Finally, I will apply a ceramic coating to the entire car. The paint will shine like a mirror. The last M3 with a V8 engine shouldn't look like this. I will show you every single step during the detail. I hope you can learn something new. So let's wash the car. First, as always, I will start with the wheels. After the wheels are like new again, it's time to clean the paint. A lot of dried mud sticks to the car, so pre-cleaning is absolutely necessary to remove almost everything before using a wash mitt. Otherwise, I would drag the mud across the paint and cause deep scratches. That's why I use Green Star from Koch Chemie. I let the product work for a few minutes, and then most of the dirt can be washed off with a high-pressure washer. After this step, I can finally use the wash mitt with a lot of snow foam. Every detail of the BMW is clean. Now I want to make the paint look like new. The M3 is badly scratched. I believe it has never been polished. But before I polish the whole car, I want to check out which pad and polish will give me the best results. Then I'll show you a before and after, so you can see that almost all of the scratches could be removed. After the paint has been corrected and looks like new, it is important to protect it. For this, I use a ceramic coating that lasts about 3 years. This can also be used to protect the headlights, taillights, windows, exhaust, and all other details. The product is applied in liquid form, after which it becomes a hard protective layer like glass. This protects the paint from fine scratches, insects, UV light, and so many other factors that would damage the paint. The best thing about a ceramic coating is the shine boost. There is nothing comparable that makes the paint extremely shiny. Not even the paint on a new car has such a deep gloss. The M3 is finished, friends. Look at the before and after comparison. It's a completely different car, even the color has changed and is now just beautiful. After the detailing, the BMW not only looks better, it is also worth more. I'm looking forward to showing the car to the customer. He'll definitely be very happy. You won't believe how bad this Ferrari looked before the detailing. The paint was completely scratched, and even the interior hadn't been cleaned for a long time. It was really a lot of hard work. You guys have to check it out. See you there.